Hello guys, so today we're unboxing the fishing game. Hold on. So, sorry guys, I have my screen thing. This is a fishing game. That's where we're gonna play. Guys, that's where we're gonna play with. This is a fishing game, so we're gonna play. Alright. First, all you want to do is just open this side. To look at the instructions. It needs batteries. We don't have batteries. It's this kind, but I don't have it. Let's just start without the batteries. And make sure there's another one, so read it and read those ones. Here you have fishing rods. Put these right here. And now we have the big boy.